Hey guys, it's Luke, and I've just finished a day shift, and boy do I feel like a rotisserie chicken. I am not used to doing day shifts. To finish off this day, I'm here in Frontierland. As I said in the previous vlog, I'm here to eat something unhealthy, but oh so delicious. A few months, even probably a couple of years back, I posted myself finding a really interesting way to make bacon even more unhealthy than what it is. So I coated it in my patented and secret fried chicken recipe, and that was pretty interesting. But it seems like someone has gone, hold my Pepsi. So here I am in Frontierland, where I discovered a bacon. The best way to describe this bacon, it's so sweet. It's called candied bacon, so that should give you an idea. Basically, think of a churro, or a churro, however you pronounce that, and just turn that churro into bacon and add more sugar to it. And that's pretty much what this is. So across from the Pecos Bill Tall Inn and Cafe, you'll find the Westward Ho refreshments. And that is where you'll find the candied bacon skewer. And here it is, the candied bacon. So as I said, it's basically deliciously ovened bacon coated in sugar, cinnamon, and I believe even brown sugar. So brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, and well, I wish I came up with it. I really do. It is so good. So it does come with a packet of chips, but I usually get it without, and that saves like $3 for the packet of chips, because it's only a small packet of chips. Like thins or whatever they're called over here, because the candy bacon itself is enough. That is so good. And that's all I really wanted to show you. And it was just quickly, you know, the candied bacon here in Frontierland. Let's go on a ride.
A few moments later.
Now that was impressive. I wish I'd filmed that, but that bird literally just swooped in and caught a fish. And I believe the fish is still just barely alive. Basically skewered it right through the side. That was impressive. Oh, there we go. Time to eat the fishes. Nom nom noms. As much as it would make sense to do Big Thunder Mountain, the weather is quite quickly about to turn, so I'm going to head into Adventureland on another really cool ride, which I actually haven't done much since I've been here. So let's go on Pirates of the Caribbean. The benefit of this ride is it is undercover, and it's also air conditioned, so I can at least get a bit of relief there for my sunburn.
fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Strike your feathers, dearie. Save your flock.
The gentlemen want the rum, don't you, boys?
Here I be, holding the treasure map and the key as well. What I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face when he hears that it's only me what's got the goods. Keep still.
Amor, olha o céu. Olha o céu.
It's the treasure map for sure and be pristine. Run my thunder, that's still Captain Sparrow.
So they've gotten rid of Barbosa and Blackbeard in the actual ride, but as you exit, you still have their recordings.
The sea's been kind today. You can tell what page is mine tomorrow's time.
So yeah, you've still got Ian McShane doing his Blackbeard on your way out. And of course, like every Disney ride, you exit through the gift shop. And just as I thought it would, the rain has come to the Magic Kingdom. And that's my cue to duck down into the tunnels and head to my car. Unfortunately, I can't take you down there with me, but I can leave you here in Adventureland.
Bye.